Chapter 12 Money Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify different coins and notes, utilize money for shopping activities, warm up. Piku and Pihu want to buy a teddy bear from a toy shop. The shopkeeper is showing them the toys and they choose one out of them. What will they give to the shopkeeper to buy that teddy bear? My mama goes to market for shopping. She takes money along with her. Money is very important to buy things. Money is in the form of currency, notes and metallic coins. Commonly used coins: 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Rupee is the symbol used for rupee. Did you know 50 paise plus 50 paise is equal to 1 rupee? Teacher's note: show the students different coins and notes. Also tell them that there are various symbols on the notes and coins which help our currency to stand out from others and helps to differentiate it from similar currencies, which are Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Indonesia. Commonly used notes: 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. Shopping: 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 8 rupees, 12 rupees, 15 rupees, 3 rupees, 20 rupees, 25 rupees, 100 rupees, 7 rupees, 5 rupees, 1 rupees, 4 rupees, 2 rupees, 10 rupees. 1. Radha bought 1 pencil, 1 eraser and 1 sharpener. How much money did she spend? 2. Shivani bought 1 ice cream and 1 packet of Uncle Chips. How much money did she spend? 3. Ruchi bought 1 burger and 1 cake. How many money did she spend? 4. Rajat has 50 rupee. He bought 2 balloons, 1 chocolate and 1 kite. How much money is left with Rajat? 5. Kushal had 65 rupees. He bought 2 samosas, 5 toffees, and 1 packet of Uncle Chips. How much money is left with Kushal? Facts: do you know the lines on the symbol rupee horizontal is known as Shriyo Rekha, which is a unique feature of the Devanagari script. The rupee symbol preserves this feature of the Indian script. The current currency notes, which is also known as the Mahatma Gandhi series, were originated in the year 1996. Think wisely. How many 50 paise coins will be required to make rupee 3? Mental maths. A. Take the correct option. 1. The commonly used coins are 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, all of these. 2. 10 coin plus 5 coin is equal to 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 15 rupees, none of these. We can exchange 50 rupee note with 5 notes of 10 rupee, 10 notes of 10 rupee, 5 notes of 20 rupee, 5 notes of 5 rupee. 4. 3 coins of rupee 1 is equal to 6 rupee, 3 rupees, 50 paise, 9 rupees. 5. 50 rupees plus 25 rupees is equal to 70 rupees, 65 rupees, 75 rupees, 80 rupees. Maths lab activity. Materials required: coins and notes of different denominations and a table. Steps: place coins and notes on the table. Allow pupils to touch and feel the information presented on each. Now invite student to make a decision. 20 rupees, 14 rupees, 35 rupees, 9 rupees. For instance, rupees 14 can be formed in a variety of ways as seen below. Quick tip: when counting notes or coins of different values, start with the highest value note or coin.